Hello, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time on February 1st, 2022. I hope our Creator is keeping you good, well, and safe wherever you are in the world. Right now we are looking at our Italian model for our Schumann resonance. As we can see, our electromagnetic field looks like it's pretty low, but then when we come down here to the Schumann, we can see there's definitely some activity going on here. We can see the spikes here, but it's not giving us a long-term event. But if we actually scroll down and we look at yesterday, they were having a lot of lightning storms and stuff over in Italy, so that would absolutely affect this. But from looking at this, I started thinking, let's go check the Russian model. And according to the Russian model, here, disclosure news, passing power, 16. We are having an event mode right now, so that is 2 to confirm with. Okay. So coming over here to the Space Weather Prediction Center at NOAA, we are actually looking at our density provided to us from the University of Michigan Geospace Model. We are actually looking right here. This is the sun-facing side. This is the dark facing of the Earth. So the Earth, this is the sun. The sun is over here shining us, and this is the dark side of the Earth. Okay, same thing here. This is looking from the north down. This is looking from east to west. So you can clearly see our magnetic field, but look at all this back pressure. Look at all this pressure here on the back of the Earth, but we're not taking any bow shock? No bow pressure? I mean, what would that be from? I mean, that's what the pressure is. That's what according to the charts, okay, we're maxed out with something behind us. I don't understand why it does that, but it does do that occasionally. But as we watch it, as we kind of progress, we kind of see the little movement, and then it just kind of disappears. We're actually doing pretty good. We're running backwards. We're not taking a lot of pressure, but I will be keeping an eye on this when that plasma arrives, and that is going to be arriving again 6 p.m. So in about 3 or 4 hours, that plasma is going to arrive, and it is going to say, "How are you doing?" If we come over here to the European Space Agency, they have finally got things caught up. Looking at the Euphoria model for our plasma right here. If this is our M class, they finally got it caught up, and we are looking, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're looking at 60 centimeters cubed. That is right here at the top of the chart. That is about as dark a plasma as we can get, according to the charts. The charts just don't go high enough, and that, according to this, will arrive at 1400 UTC time, minus 6 hours off of that. We're looking at about 10 o'clock in the morning, okay, for Central Standard Time here in the United States. That is a lot of plasma. But now, luckily, it's not a long event for that plasma to smack. We're looking at 2 hours, and then it comes down to about 45-ish to 40. And then it actually drops way down by 6 in the morning. So that would be midnight UTC time. So it is going to be pretty much an all-day ordeal. So, folks, be prepared. By all means, aluminum foil hats on. I say aluminum foil hats tongue-in-cheek, but I'm actually kind of serious. And here we're looking at New York. We're looking at air quality, nitrous dioxide levels. 46.41 here in New York is the highest for the United States. Canada, you're looking good. And for South America, our two high points are Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro at 33.5 and 46.13. Over here in South Africa, if you're near Pretoria, you're looking at 72.15 meters cubed, which is pretty close to being maxed out. I've already checked out Australia. Australia, you guys are doing just fine. And we come up here to Kinshasa. We're looking at 40.34. And over here, we're looking at right around Milan. We're looking at 40.71 meters cubed. Most of Europe is looking pretty decent, except for these areas here. England, you guys are doing all right. Let's go check out the bad places. And we are looking at 90.03 meters cubed just northwest of Tehran. Beirut is 52.26. Cairo is 58.86. Now, Jeddah is showing 58.92. I'm smelling some bull crap there. Oh, yeah. They're higher. 88.27. Muscat is 81.84. Lahore is 58.8. Oh. What we got going on right over here? 95.57. And this is Calcutta, India, right here, looking at 95.89. China, yeah, you might as well just quit breathing over there. Jeez Louise. These numbers are horrible. Once again, over here, just north of Bangkok in Thailand, we are looking at 5811. And here we're looking at the Indonesian islands. Here, Jakarta is 47.14, and Surabaya is 31.26. Although right here in between, we're looking at 46.93, folks. I'm jumping over here to PM 2.5 now. We are over here in Russia, looking at 226 meters cubed, just northwest of Yuka. No, maybe this isn't. This could be China still. Either way, those are not good numbers, folks. And here we are looking at northern India and into Pakistan, 145. We are looking at horrible numbers here. If you're in India, my gosh, get yourself a level 3 military grade mask. Goodness gracious. People are getting poisoned, folks. Well, ain't this strange? It's not giving me a reading now. These numbers, I guarantee you, are way off the charts. They're not even giving me a reading. If you're near Benin City, here in Nigeria, northeast of it, just here in Benin City, you're looking at 137. Northeast of it, you know this has got to be at least 300. Look how dark red that is. This is the bad area. Everywhere else, we're actually doing somewhat decent. United States, South America, Canada, England, we're all doing all right. Let's see if I can... Oh, here we go. Look at that. What did I tell you? 300. Goodness. That's not good, folks. 340. Ouch. Folks, we are literally being poisoned. This is PM 2.5, one of the worst out there, folks. Please be safe out there. And we are here looking at our ozone levels right now, and this is northern Canada. These are horrible numbers, folks, right here. I'm going to tap on this, and I know it's going to be, yep, we're right close to 500. These are units, and it goes literally off the charts. Folks, things are not good. It's improving in some areas and getting worse in others. So it's kind of hard to, it's hit or miss. It's hard to say when they're going to be releasing whatever they are into the atmosphere for us to suck on and choke on. So, folks, things are getting strange. And we are going to end here. A little something I've been doing with a lot of my screenshots. I've been going through and adjusting filters on them. So that way, the images that we are seeing that I'm showing you can really pop. And you can really see the head, the tails, and the wing. Or the head, the tail, and the wings. And his little fla la la la. So, I hope you enjoy. Little entrails, warp signature trail, whatever you want to call it. Double whammy. One here, one here. It's propulsion. It's a little fla la 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 la. Head, wings, tail. Mm-hmm. We are not alone, folks. We never have been. Look at the definition on that. Anyway, stay safe out there, folks. And remember, love is the only way forward.